So MX5 action again. This is the Matt Malone Cup. Managed to qualify third. Navarra, not my best track, but we'll see how we get on. This first corner, the second part of this first corner is very tricky. That's where I'm going to go off. That's where I'm going to go off. It's very twitchy on the rear, I find. I think being side by side, there's a lot of slipstreaming. So it's the Navarra without the that sort of infield, if you like. Okay, let's just get round it.
Car right.
You'll see what I mean in a second.
Still there.
So we've now just got a long straight with a couple of corners in.
Keep to the left.
So instead of sort of gradually slowing down on this turn,
Still there. Hold your line.
we just go as fast as we can, like this. Get the slipstream.
Still there. Hold your line. You're in the middle.
And then
3 wide. Clear. 2 wide. Still
brake
there.
as hard as we can and get round.
The
So it's
next
quite a
car.
fun track, actually.
Still there. Hold your line.
Bit of contact.
Still there. Hold your line.
Give him space.
Clear. Left side. Keep to the right. You're on the right. 3
Okay,
wide.
3 wide.
Still hold.
Okay, more contact.
Hold your line.
I'll just keep to the inside, I think.
Left side. 2 wide. 22.5.
Not sure what I can do here other than just keep to the inside.
Keep to the right. Clear on the left.
Yeah, I had to give that up really because this is the bit of the corner that's really quite difficult.
Left side. Go left. You're on the right. 3
Okay,
wide.
well,
On your left.
that didn't work. We'll look at the replay. Not sure what happened there.
Behind. Stay on the right.
Bloody hell. It's all a bit... I thought qualifying near the front would help, but it's not helping. It's not helped at all, is it, really? This is all a bit bumpy.
Car on your left.
Hey, I can't get stopped.
Car on your left.
I was going quicker than I was expecting.
Behind. Clear.
Another accident behind. Was that me? I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. Let's see if we can keep up with these two in front. So I'm not sure what happened there. We will look at the replay. So they've really got away. Look at that. Really got away. So I'm in third. I qualified third.
0.774.
So I guess I should be able to keep up. And it's this bit that I'm struggling with. As you can see.
Right side. Clear.
Okay, well, let's take his slipstream if we can. Keep away from the crowd behind. See if we can do a bit better this time and not have a crash. See if I can get stopped in time. I think it's because I was going quicker than I have been. It didn't want to stop. That's a bit better. Okay. Let's see if we can just get into a decent rhythm. It's only a 10-minute race. Take the slipstream where we can. Go after that front two.
.20.
They've got 3 X's already. Look at that. Blimey. Yeah, that's the corner I struggle with the most. We did it a bit better that time. Let's see how quick this guy is.
The car in P.
If Michael can close in.
The fastest lap. 11.7.
Well, they're going pretty quick, aren't they? They're battling, which is good for us then. Okay, it's stopping a bit better now. I don't know why. It's a bit better. Yeah, we're closing in a little bit on them, aren't we?
5 minutes to go. 11.436. You just set the fastest lap. Car on your left. Still there. The car in P7. Just set the fastest lap. 11.152. Clear on the left.
Another off track. Blimey. You'll have a nice slipstream here, though.
The next car's the leader.
You ran into the back of me? I think you did. Did he say sorry? I think so as well. Wasn't looking, I was just focused on the corner. Whether we'll be able to close, I don't know. 2.3 behind. Crash behind. Oh dear. Big crash behind. Somebody's saying sorry as well.
12.068. You're back in third. Keep hustling.
I'm hustling, all right. It's definitely this bit that I'm struggling with.
Set the fastest lap. 11.092.
Getting stopped for there.
There's one of you in every race, man. Every race.
Oh dear. So they're still battling hard, aren't they? Is that going to give us a chance? I wonder. 2.4 behind still. They're side by side. Oh no. It's gone back in line.
The next car's the leader.
I'm just not getting stopped. I was stopping a lot better in practice and I've got the same fuel load, so
Look out for him.
I don't know what's going on here.
Dueling your safety rating.
I don't know what's going on here. I just need to brake earlier, obviously, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, someone coming out of the pits. It's going to throw a bit of a spanner in the works, isn't it?
3. The leader is running 12.006. Car 18 is up the front.
See what I mean about
Right side.
pitchy rear end into that corner. Blimey. So we've got this back marker in front of us. He was one that had the accident, I think. He wasn't very happy. So we're going to stop a bit sooner this time. It's a bit better.
Right side. Clear.
I don't care what place you're in, man. Just because somebody else wrecked me out doesn't make you faster. You cut across my nose again, I'll hit you.
If you're a lap down, keep out of their way, Heike.
12.887. Car on your left. Still there. You've got about 5 laps of fuel. Keep to the right. Clear.
Okay, yeah, this back marker's, he's not happy and he's messing around with the leaders. Just shouldn't do it. It doesn't matter how bad your race has gone. You shouldn't get in the way of the leaders when you're a lap down like that. Just shouldn't do it. He's going to cause an accident. Oh well, might help us.
White flag this time.
White flag, okay. Well, what's happening then? What is going to happen? And I hold it together for one more lap.
11 points.
Get another podium. Don't know. Maybe. Might even get a slipstream here. Which would really help. Yeah, so Heikki's just ruined the race for the lead.
I think this guy needs new record.
Okay, we got stopped that time, more or less. Yeah, it's really weird. It was much better in practice, in qualifying. Got the same fuel on. Okay, well, I'm going to take third. Qualified third, finished third. I think I'll take that. That could have been a lot worse, but I got 6x. But again, I've given up on my safety rating, I think. Yeah, not good. Not good having a back marker like that, I think. Okay, then let's have a look at that start, because it was quite eventful, wasn't it? So we'll look at the incidents in a minute, but we'll just look at my start, because I seem to get involved in lots of different issues. And I'm not sure if some might have even been my fault. But anyway, so yeah, it's all going well so far. We're sort of coming around this first. This is tricky, just getting your braking right, because you're sort of braking and turning and the rear's going light and all sorts. So anyway, we got through there. And we're then side by side, which is fine. Gave plenty of room. And then we're still side by side. Very fast bit of the track. Still manage that. And then we've got someone coming up with a slipstream. And then I'm sort of in the middle. And I brake. I braked pretty early, actually, didn't I? So nothing wrong there. Okay, he just tapped me on the inside, so that was okay. So I knew he was there, so I'm giving room, plenty of room. Again, two in the front racing. I'm still up the inside. Okay, so he touches me again. And they hit. Then he nearly touches me, so we're side by side. So it's now 3 abreast. And then what happens? Where does it all go wrong then? 'Cause I haven't seen the accident. Yeah, and I think we've all done pretty well, haven't we, to keep things going. So what happens? So I'm just keeping to the inside. Right, he comes across. That's fine. And I think I then just duck in behind, don't I? Because I know I'm not going to be able to do anything. And then he turns into... Right, yeah, so that was the first one. He turned in and I was there. Not a lot I could do about that. Then, again, we're side by side on the straight. I've got a nice toe this time. And then where does it go wrong? So I'm sure somebody went off behind as well, didn't they? So we've had one go off. Does someone go off here, or do I brake a bit late? I struggled to get stopped. Okay. He saw me coming. I went wide. The two behind just went off on their own. So, yeah, okay. Not as bad as I thought. Anyway, let's look at the other incidents. Okay, so that was the start then. We'll have a look at the incidents then. So many people don't hold their brakes. Someone doing what I did. Couldn't get stopped, and that's why they all went off behind. I see. Yeah, okay. And, oh gosh, what's he doing? Just sat there. Oh, unlucky, yeah. Both just sort of got into each other. This person's... Oh, they were stopping. The car in front stopped even slower, didn't they? Or even quicker. Oh, that's unlucky. Yeah. I mean... I'll just drive through people though, can you? Now what's going on? Oh, just lost it on the acceleration. Oh dear. Police car there. Oh. Yeah, a few little bumps. A few more bumps. Oh dear. And what's happening here? Yeah, it's just, people just accelerate slightly differently and then the car behind hits them, don't they? Oh, there wasn't room. He was going for the gap and it wasn't there. That was all the incidents. Let's have a look at the results, shall we? So results then, that was the 3rd out of 11 splits. Even more safety rating going. Like I say, I've given up on that. I rating, that's what I want. So 70, that's good. Nice bit of I rating. So the best lap was an 11 flat. I did an 11.4. These were doing 11.7s. Others were doing 11.3, 11.5, 11.5. So, yeah, 11.4. So 11.4, sort of mid-11s was where the pace was at. And someone, yeah, going a little bit quicker. Probably with a slipstream, I should think. Anyway, good race. I enjoyed that. I hope you did too. If you did, then stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe. Maybe I'll see you next time at the track.